Hi, I'm Josh Cook and I'm here with Euro Car Parts, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to swap the wiper blades on this Polo. So yesterday when I was driving in the rain, the windscreen wipers were pretty smeary, so I've had a look at them and this one's split. So that means they need to be changed. So you want to make sure that you've got the new one out the box ready before you take the old one off. So it's really simple. There's a button that you just press down on the top and then the wiper just pulls towards you. Now they can be a little bit fiddly, but that's just how they are. And one main thing that you want to make sure that you don't do is let this arm fall onto the windscreen. Because it's metal, hitting glass, you could cause damage to your windscreen. But as simple as that, it's done. So these mounting clips can vary on different vehicles. However, sometimes there's different adapter kits in the box. So then for the other one, same process. Push the button, slide it out towards me, and then the other one goes straight in, clips in, and that is job done. And don't forget, if you've got a rear one, you need to replace that too. And it unclips exactly the same way, new one, just slides in. Shop wipers for your car on eurocarparts.com and click and collect within as little as 15 minutes.